Get ready with me video please dahil maganda ka isa yung pagbibigyan kita. Saktong-sakto, I'll be hosting an event kaya kailangan nating mag-makeup today. But first things first, of course, mag-alcohol muna tayo before touching our face. Syempre, kailangan malinis and sanitized. Lalagay muna tayo ng serum. Lagay na tayo ng ating sunscreen. Next up, yung ating foundation. Then, spread it using a brush or sponge. Okay. Susunod ko yung concealer. I am not a professional makeup artist. Gawin nyo lang kung ano sa tingin ninyo ang tama. Right after that, of course, yung ating powder. Okay. Lagay tayo ng blush on. Ayan, yan ang sabi nila, di ba? Kailangan nakasmile. And then, powder ulit para ma-finalize siya ng bahagyang ganyan. Okay. Kung hindi masyadong pointed yung inyong nose or walang masyadong bridge, pwede din naman kayo maglagay ng nose contour. Actually, maganda to para mag-solidify yung ating nose, yung bridge natin na ganyan. Sino ka dyan? Oh, look at the pointed nose. Sunod natin ay, of course, lipstick. Hindi ko masyadong kinakapalan para medyo manly-manly. Manly ka dyan. Tapos, lagyan natin ng lip oil. Pak, oh. Pwede din naman magkilay. Ayan. Ang pabuhay ng mata kapag naglalagay kayo ng mascara, ha? O, yung kabila. And, ang pinakauli, kailangan natin maglagay ng setting mist. And of course, huwag kakalimutan na mag-alcohol ulit. Dahil karoon ng konting mga bacteria and germs yung ating kamay. And here's the final look. This is the no makeup look. Kailangan super subtle lang yung atake. There you go.